I mean, look, I think they're just going to go for pure engine mods. They'll probably try and put it into over 1,000 horsepower. I think that's what they'll do.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinion on what's going on in the supercar community. If you're new to the channel, guys, thanks very much for checking out the channel. Hope you like this kind of stuff. It'd be dope if you want to subscribe, help us to get to 2,000 subscribers. And get involved, give a like, comment below. I love chatting to you guys. And to all the new subscribers, man, you're smashing the subscribe button. Thanks a million. And to all you guys commenting below and me chatting to you, you know who you are. Thanks a million as well. On today's episode, we've got a lot of catching up to do. As I took a day off yesterday, we're going to be covering DDE, Tavarish, Emelia Hartford, Savage Garage. It's going to be a bit of a longer one than usual because I'm going to add in an extra channel. Usually I only do 5. We're getting 6 today. And I didn't post yesterday because I'm just moved in to a new house. It's my sister's house. I'm in the new office. So guys, bear with me. I'm going to build this up. I'm ordering a desk. I need to get a desk. I have a Lamborghini LED sign to put on the wall. I need to get I have a new canvas poster behind me to come in as well. And when we get the desk, I'll add stuff to the desk as well. So bear with me. Bits and pieces will come along for the meantime. I'm just sitting here like this, but we will get there. So as I say, guys, just as well, the reason I haven't posted in a day or two, there's been a death in the family. My head wasn't in it, and just moving and everything going on. Just a lot happening. So. And obviously just not having a right setup at the moment. I'm using 2 chairs for my camera and sitting here talking to you guys, so hope you don't mind. But we're going to get back to it. I'm going to be pumping out content all this week. So let's jump into today's video and me stop rambling on. So straight off the bat, guys, obviously the news of DD have gotten their R34 Gtr, which we knew they were getting. It was pretty obvious they were going to get it. It was the colour that we didn't know they were going to get, but we obviously knew it was going to be Bayside Blue. It's a newer spec 2, I think it's like 280 brake horsepower. Gorgeous car, always love the R34 JDM cars. The GTRs are so nice. So here's a quick clip for you guys just to show you the new R34 they're after getting.
Backdrop, you guys. Oh yeah.
There you go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you glad they have gone down the R34 GTR route? I did hear that they always had an R35, and that is, I think it's probably something that will be revealed eventually. But as I did mention in my previous video about Stradman and DDE, like Damon did say in the video about making content, and you know, they could have got Porsches and stuff like that. But have decided, because they have such a fan base now, that they can go and do a JDM car and the views won't hurt them too much, or it'll get where they want it to be. I don't know, guys, what you think? You glad they got it? What you think they're going to do to it? I mean, look, I think they're just going to go for pure engine mods. They'll probably try and put it into over 1,000 horsepower. I think that's what they'll do. Cosmetic wise, I'm not too sure if it'll do much either, but it's DD, you never know what they're going to do with that thing. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think DD are going to do with the car, and if you're happy that they got it. Next up in this, guys, is going to be we're going to cover Emelia Hartford. So Emelia Hartford's recent video was her saying she was shopping for a supercar. I can't remember the name of the dealership she went to. Somebody said it's a dealership that a lot of car YouTubers go to. She test drove a Ferrari F8, a 1400 brake horsepower Huracan Performante. What else did she test drive? I think a 720S. And then her heading was like, I know she wants to buy one, but then she did come out saying these were out of her price range, unless she has to sell 1 or 2 of the cars, but she loves the C8 too much. So I don't know. in my head I'm trying to think, okay, if you're releasing a video saying that you want to buy a supercar, unless she's trying to get a lesser model for cheaper, I'm not too sure. But the specs she was driving, she said nearly every one of them was out of her price range. Now the one I know that wouldn't probably be out of her price range, and the one a lot of people are saying for her to go for, is the Audi R8. Has all the comforts of a Huracan, get sheepy race twin turbo it, modified living hell out of it. I think it's a good entry level supercar to take in if you're a YouTuber trying to get into the upper echelons of the Huracan Performante or the F8. Like, if she doesn't have 350 or 400,000 spend, then go in with the R8 and go from there. And as your channel gets bigger and you can afford it, sell it and go up higher again. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what she gets. Comment below if you think you know what Emelia is going to get, or what you think she should get, or if you watched the video and what you thought of it as well. Next up, guys, we're just going to cover the crazy story about Jimbo from the Savage Garage. I watched the video. I know I'm a bit late coming up on this one. I was only catching up on my videos today. Basically, they were doing their rally as they usually do. Jimbo was getting, I think there was a cop following him. He was speeding from what I know, and he was obviously caught. So I don't know why he thought he could outrun these guys and actually hide and leg it, just jump out of the car and run. I read the comments and people were saying, why did he do it? Now, I think maybe if he agreed with me or not, this is just my own opinion, he did it for maybe for Savage Garage and did it for the viewing of it, and maybe not, because why would you, if you're already caught for speeding and you're going to try and run from the cops, that you're never going to get away on a straight line. He can probably see, even if he turned off right into the motorsport area where he was going, and like as somebody said, you're going to see the dust where he drove off, because there was no other cars ahead of him and it was a straight road, so he was never going to get away. So it was pure stupidity what he did. It looks like he got arrested, so I don't know what came into his head to go away and do that. I mean, if he did it for content, I mean that's pretty. I don't know, but then again, yeah, I just don't get it. I really don't. Why let's just pull over and I don't know. Anyway, guys, comment below. Let me know if you saw the video and why you think Jimbo did it. Did you agree with him or doing it or not? Next up, guys, is going to be who we're going to cover next. We're going to cover RDBLA. So RDBLA, they have wrapped a Ferrari Superfast A12. I love these cars. They are amazing. They wrapped it in Nardo grey and did no other mods to it, but the transformation of it going from black to Nardo grey was phenomenal. I used to hate Nardo grey, not gonna lie. I really never liked it, and I think the first time I really started liking it was when Throttle did their MR2 in Nardo grey, and then I was like, wow, actually this is a really nice colour. And this thing has turned out ridiculous. Check this clip out of the new wrap on the A12 Superfast.
There you have it, the A12 looks amazing. We lowered on Novatec springs. It's got a Rift titanium exhaust system with the on and off controls, of course. And that Nardo grey wrap looks amazing. That's all it's got. Everything else is stock. A12's a beast. This thing has no traction. Anytime you tap on the gas, it's such a beast. So if you guys enjoy that, beautiful, beautiful A12.
There you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I absolutely love it. The A12 is such a beast of a car. I always say in the current lineup of Ferraris, the SF90 is probably my number one. Like of the newer ones, newer Ferrari models, SF90 is the one I've always said my number one pick, and then the A12 Superfast be my number two pick, and then probably the F8. But yeah, it's such a gorgeous colour. RDBLA, like they just mod some of the best cars. I love the work they do, and it was no exception with this wrap. Definitely one up there. I would, if I had the money, would definitely consider buying it. But let me know what you thought of the wrap below. Is this something you would do, and would you consider, would you consider A12 Superfast over an SF90? Last but not least on this, guys, as I said, it's going to be 6 people today. Is going to be Tavarish. So Tavarish, as we said, we know he's back posting, and he did get a project. It was a 525, I think. I'm not the biggest BMW fan, especially of cars in the pre-2013, pre-2012, especially this model. I just don't like it. I thought it was going to be a long project, but it wasn't. So it was for Jared's wife. It was supposed to be a 2-day project. It turned into a 5-day project, and I was quite impressed the way it came out. The amount of work they put into this thing, it came out ridiculous. I love the blue. The satin blue got wrapped in. The headlights, the rear lights are gorgeous. The carbon fibre ducktail lip on the back. I'm not too fond of the interior. The interior is brown leather and that brown wooden fendage. I hate that. It would just be all leather for me. For what they wanted to do, it came out amazing. Like if it was me going down that route, I would have stuck with the colour and whatever. But I went with black gloss wheels and a carbon fibre lip kit, and that thing would have been perfect. But because it was for Jared's wife, they didn't want to make it too over the top sporty. It was just right. They wanted to have a kind of an M5 kind of look, and they were supposedly the most reliable engine. I don't know much about BMW engines, but it came out pretty sick. I did like it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it, or what you would have done to it modifying wise. It's good to see Tavarish is back posting again. It's good to see Jared back. And oh yes, and one other thing as well. This is what I love Tavarish so much as well. When he is posting, he could have made this a clickbait title. I'll bring up the comment here. Somebody commented below in the video saying that he could have made this, buying a car for his friend's wife and modifying it, yada yada. But he also went away and paid off Jared's truck. He bought Jared's truck from him and bought him a second car. So Jared is not in debt. Jared was basically in tears when he said it to him, and it was a Christmas gift from him for helping out him wrench every day. I mean and he didn't put it in the title. See, this is where he didn't have to put it. That's what you should be doing as a big YouTuber, and how you do it. And you don't boast about it, you just do it. And it was amazing by Tavarish, and that's why a lot of people love him. Why I love his channel, the work they put in, and you can tell he's such a kind guy to do that for Jared. Amazing gesture, and something I'm sure Jared will never forget, and another reason why I think Tavarish's channel is so great and such a great person as well. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of the builds, what you think of Tavarish being back, are you happy, and what up and coming builds you glad you're going to see coming out of his channel as well. So that is it for today, guys. A bit of a long one. I'm sorry, we had a lot to catch up on. Tomorrow we'll be out another video, but until then, stay safe, peace out. Oh, and do subscribe as well, and do not forget to, down below, actually I completely forgot this, in the description you can vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year. Do vote for it. You can do multiple choice questions, and that's basically something I want to mention. I should have mentioned it at the start, but I forgot. So again, guys, sorry if you watched the end, thanks very much. So next episode, we'll see you then. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.